check it out. This is Container Modification World's version 3 prototype of the new 42-inch sidewall window framing kit. This thing is awesome. It is way less material, way more shippable, and fits in our wall system so much better. I'm really excited to finally have it in stock, available for sale. Stay tuned in this video. I'll show you just a little bit of the advantages and let you know where you can buy it. Hope you learned something. So first, before we get into the 42-inch window, I want to show you guys our old 36-inch windows. These here are 44 inches wide. So these are almost as wide as the new window frame, but you only get a 36-inch window. You don't get a 42-inch window. So you get 6 extra inches, and the new frame's only 2 inches wider. And how we make that happen is the side flanges and the headers and footers are all way narrower. So it's utilizing less steel, which makes it cheaper to manufacture, less material there, lighter to ship, and therefore just a better window kit. But there's more than that. This does not have any a corrugation cap that goes underneath it, and so we have to go inside the container and rivet back into the bottom footer of this, which is kind of annoying. And also it doesn't have a rain drip. So the new ones, they'll actually deflect the rain away from the window, where here it actually comes back around and then needs to make its way out. There's just more opportunity for water to intrude into your container. So let's go check out the newest version and show you why it's sweet. Back to the new window here. This thing is a 42-inch window with only a 46-inch wide frame. So these are so much less wasted material, and because this bottom corrugation cap, we call it, comes in there as a part of the kit now, we can actually utilize it as our marking tool. So we can set it right on the bottom channel of the window, put a couple marks where the height is, we can mark the width, mark how high the window is. We don't even need a measuring tape or a ruler now to install these windows. Everything comes in the kit. It is awesome. So if you're looking to order our new windows, they're finally here in stock. Check us out, tcg.ca. They'll be available there. We also sell them on Amazon, or you can buy them at containermodificationworld.com. So if you enjoyed this video, please help us out, give it a like. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe to our channel and ring that bell for notifications. And as always, check us out at tcg.ca. Hope you learned something.